Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to fix games crashing on Steam. Here are the methods to help you fix games crashing on Steam using your Windows PC. First, restart your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary issues and refresh system performance. Run Steam as administrator. Right-click the Steam shortcut. Then choose Run as Administrator. Update your graphics drivers. For AMD, use Adrenalin software. For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience. For Intel, use Intel Driver and Support Assistant. Verify game files. Open Steam, Library, right-click the game, Properties, Installed Files, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Check for Windows updates. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and install all pending updates. Disable background applications. Use Task Manager by Control plus Shift plus Escape under Processes tab. Right-click on the app and hit End Task to close unnecessary apps that may interfere. Turn off overlays. Disable Steam Overlay by going to Steam, Settings, In-Game, uncheck or toggled off, enable the Steam Overlay. You can also disable overlays from the other apps. Lower in-game graphics settings. Set game graphics to medium or low to reduce load on your system. Check game system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the minimum specs of the game. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ runtimes. These are often found the game's install folder under the common Redist folder. Clear Steam download cache. Go to Steam, Settings, Downloads, click Clear Download Cache or Clear Cache. Reinstall the game. If nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall the game to fix corrupted files. Check for conflicts with antivirus or firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus firewall, or add Steam and the games as exceptions. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.